you love vegetarian food and also looking for world cuisines and also our Indian specialities at one single place, well, worry not because I have come to one such place. So keep on watching this video. Hi, my name is Roshni, and today on my cafe tour, I have come to Borevri in Borivali. The best part about this cafe is it is located just near to Chimpoli metro station. It's one cozy fine dine restaurant serving multi cuisine food. The indoors are all lit up with glowing warm lights, the walls decked up with glasses catering to the modern aesthetics interiors. Starting with my first order from the drinks menu, I have ordered this plumberry mocktail and it's made of strawberry, cranberry, plum, and it's very sweet and tangy and sour at the same time. Second drink that we have taken is this version mojito, our basic, always refreshing mocktail. There are seating arrangements on the ground floor also, and there's this upper floor. So I have ordered this. Apart from the many cuisines that they are offering, there is traditional Indian specialities. There is tapas. There is Mexican, Italian, continental, Chinese, Japanese, and whatnot. The list is huge. Yeah. So starting with the starters, I have ordered this. Ragi pizza, and it's all topped with exotic veggies. Paneer lifafa, such a unique name, and this is Italian steak. So the quantity all looks good and the presentation is superb. So let's dig in one by one. And so this is the ragi pizza. It's all topped with exotic veggies like broccoli and all the green and red bell peppers, and there is sweet corn and cheese and sauce. It's a little bit on the healthier side because the base is ragi, it's not maida, so that is superb, and it's also adding to the crunch. Loving it. Next, I'm digging on to their Indian starter, and I've ordered this paneer lifafa. As the name mentions, it's like all wrapped with maida bread and paneer. Oh, the flavor of coriander in it and kanda, onions, superb. It's not chili, and it's a proper Indian starter that you can have with your bar and drinks alongside. Italian sticks. It's basically a bread and it's topped with mint chutney and cheese and oregano and chili flakes and basil leaves, I guess. This is cheese. And the taste of basil on this bread is like simply superb. Italian bread alongside your drinks. It's simply finger food for you. This place, Borevri, as I said, it's famous for their Indian traditional food specialities. So from the main course, now we've ordered this Gujarati cuisine called Bajra Roti with tomato, save and methi sabzi. They've given alongside garlic chutney, there's this white butter and masala mirchi, and also we have got this side of salad here with onions, salty onions, masala onions, achar, green chutney, some limbu, and also the mirchi. I'm taking this roti, white butter, garlic chutney, and some kanda and mirchi. बहुत गर्म है. सब्जी is tangy and it is all complementing each other. तो ये बहुत ही होमली खाना है जो एक गुजराती फैमिली में मिलता ही है, तो it's very delicious here. From main course, if you're a Gujarati food fan, obviously do try this. Mm. Last from the desert, I had their famous Indian sweet called Jugalbandi. It's a mixture of rubbery minced gulab jamun, bundi, and dry fruits, almonds, and pistachio. It looks so tempting, I must tell you. The whole mixture just melted in my mouth. It's too sweet, especially a must try if you are an Indian mithai lover. So that's about it from this place called Borevli, and I had such a lovely time. It's a multi-cuisine fine dine restaurant and cafe located in Borivali. That's all for today. Hope you like this video, all the food and all the fun. So do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next cafe food eating experience. Bye.